Exercise number 1. Number 1. MOBAX and BX. Data is transferred straight between two register BX to AX. Hence, the addressing mode is register addressing as both the source and destination operands and registers. Number 2. MOBAX 123H. Data is transferred from a memory location 123H straight to the AX register, making the addressing mode direct addressing since the memory address 123H is clearly indicated in the instruction. Number 3. MOBAL NSI. Data is transferred from the memory location indicated by the SI register to the AL register. The addressing mode is register indirect addressing as the effective memory address is contained in the SI register. Number 4. MOB BP plus DI NAX. Data is transferred from the AX register to the memory address, determined by the addition of the BP or base pointer and the DI destination index registers. The addressing mode is base index since the memory location is computed using both register BP and DI. Number 5. MOBCX and BX plus SI plus 088H. Data is transferred from a memory address computed as BX plus SI plus 0H to the CX register. The addressing mode used is base index with displacement addressing as the memory address is obtained by summing a base register BX and an index register SI and a displacement of 08H. Number 6. MOB of DI and AX. Data is transferred from the AX register to the memory address indicated by the DI register, making it index addressing mode since the memory address is indirectly designated by the DI or destination index register. Number 7. MOB AX and BP minus 1010H. Data is transferred from a memory location determined as BP minus 10H to the AX register. The addressing mode employed is base index with displacement addressing as the memory address is computed using a base register or BP along with the displacement of negative 10H. MOB number 8. MOB AX and 5678H. The value 5678H is transferred directly to the register and addressing mode is immediate addressing since the operand is a constant provided directly within the instruction. And number 9 for exercise number 1, MOBAX of BX. Data is transferred from the memory location indicated by the BX register to the AX register, making the addressing mode the register indirect addressing since the memory address is specified indirectly by the BX register. Exercise number 2, number 1, immediate addressing. In immediate addressing, the information is given directly within the instruction itself. In this instance, the AX register is directly fed with the hexadecimal value 55AAH. The processor does not require memory access to retrieve this value. It is included in the instruction. Number 2, register addressing. In register addressing, information is moved between two registers without using memory the data in the BX register is duplicated into the AX register. Number 3. Direct addressing. In direct addressing, the commands indicate the specific memory address at which the data resides. The processor retrieves the value from memory address 1234H and save it in the AX register. The square brackets signify a reference to memory. Number 4. Register indirect addressing. In registered indirect addressing, a register holds the memory address or pointer that indicates where the data is located. In this context, the SI register contains the memory address. The processor retrieves the memory address indicated by SI and stores the value in the AX register. Number 5. Index addressing. In index addressing, a register for an instance DI is joined with an displacement. For example, 10H. To determine the effective memory address, the processor increments the value in DI by 10H, retrieves the memory at the location, and transfers the value to the lower byte of the AX register. And the number 6, base index addressing. In base index addressing, the effective memory address is determined by combining two registers. The BX register's contents are summed with the SI register context, and the value found at the resulting memory address is transferred to the AX register. Exercise number 3. Number 1. Move AX of 1000H. Direct addressing mode. The address is directly specified as a part of instruction. The formula to calculate the physical address in real mode is physical address equals to segment register multiplied by 10H plus offset. In this case, segment register is equal to 2000H, offset directly specified equals to 1000H. This is the step-by-step calculation. 2000H multiplied by 10H is equal to 20K 20,000H, and add the offset in the 20,000H. 20,000H multiplied by 1,000H is equals to 21,000H, and the result is, and the physical address is 21,000H. And for the number 2, move AX of BX plus S1 plus 10H. Register indirect with displacement mode. The offset is computed dynamically based on the values of register. The formula for the physical address remains physical address equals to segment register multiplied by 10H plus offset. In this case, segment register is equals to 2000H. Offset is calculated as BX plus SI plus displacement. And the given values for BI is 1234H, and for the SI is 4321H. And for the step-by-step calculation, the displacement is 10H. BX plus SI plus displacement is equals to 1234H plus 4321H plus 10H is equals to 5565H. And compute the segment base address. 2000H plus multiplied by 10H is equals to 20,000H. And for the offset is 20,000H multiplied by 5565H is equals to 25,565H. And the result for the physical address is 25,565H. And for the exercise number 4, number 1, identifying addressing modes. Mode AX of SI. The mode addressing is registered in direct addressing mode. The operand is assessed indirectly via the address contained in the SI or source index register. The data at the memory address is indicated by SI is transferred into AX. MOV SI 2000 H. Addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. The constant value of 2000H is given directly in the instruction and is transferred into the SI register. ADDAX of SI plus 10H. The addressing mode is index addressing mode. The effective addressing is calculated by adding an offset of 10H to the value in the SI register. The content of calculated memory location is then added to AX. MOV DI and AX. The addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. The value in AX stored in the memory location addressed by the DI or destination index register. Number 2. MOV AX of SI. What happens on this? The data at the memory address specified by SI is transferred to AX. To begin with, take SI equals to 2000H. Based on the previous instruction, memory 2000H holds the value of 123H, thus AX equals to 1234H. MOV SI of 123H. The value of 123H is directly based into the SI register that represent SI is equals to 1234H. And 1234H is the updated value in the register. Add AX of SI plus 10H. The effective address is calculated by adding 10H to the current value of SI, which is 1234. Effective address is equals to 1234H plus 10H plus 1244H. Memory is 1244H is equals to 5678H. So this value is added to AX. That is the AX is equals to 1234H plus 5678H equals to 648CH. Ay 68ACH. And for the last one, MOV DI and AX. The final value of AX is 68ACH is stored in the memory location pointed to the DI. This not affect the value of AX itself. The final value of AX is equals to 68ACH. This is computed by adding 1234H and 5678H. For the exercise number 5, number 1, loading the value into AX. MOV AX and ABCDH. This instruction loads the hexadecimal value ABCDH, a 16-bit number, into the AX register. AX a 16-bit general purpose register in x86 architecture used for arithmetic, data transfer, and addressing. MOV of 3000H and AX. The contents of the AX register 0 multiplied by ABCD are stored at the memory address of 3000H. Direct addressing mode. The memory address is explicitly provided 3000H. Number 2. Retrieving the value from memory. MOV AX of 3000H. The value stored at the memory location 3000H 0x ABCD is retrieved and loaded back into the AX register. Direct addressing mode. The instruction access a specific memory location using its address of 3000H. Number 3. Copying the value to BX of register addressing mode. MOV, BX, and AX. The contents of the AX register 0 multiplied by ABCD are copied to the BX register. Register addressing mode. Data is transferred directly between two registers. Number 4. Setting the destination index or DI. MOV DI and of 4000H. The register DI or destination index is assigned the memory address 4000H. DI is often used for indirect memory addressing. MOV of DI and BX. The contents of BX register 0 multiplied by ABCD are stored in the memory location pointed to by the DI register. 4000H register indirect addressing mode. The memory address indirectly specified by the value in the DI register. And for the full program is MOV AX of and ABCDH is equals to load 0x ABCD into AX. MOV 3000 and AX store to the value of AX at memory address of 3000H. MOV AX of 3000H retrieve the value from the memory address of 3000H into AX. MOV BX and BAX copy the value from AX to BX. MOV DI 4000H set DI to point to memory address 4000H. And the last one, MOV of DI and BX is equals to store the value of BX at the memory address pointed to by DI of 4000H.